Hey gang, we're to the zero exponents. Okay, so this one I'm actually going to give that to you, but I'm going to do it with my calculator. Let's take 7 and raise it to the 0 power. Now remember, to get that, I use the little carrot top, house top button. What do you think? Oh, it's 1. Huh. What if I said negative blah, 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 blah to the 0 power? Notice I put it in parentheses. Oh, it's 1. It's not negative 1. Okay, what about alpha y equals? What about that over that? Surely, if I raise that to the 0 power, oh, it's still 1. Man. Okay, hopefully you've guessed it. Anything, it doesn't matter, variable, number, whatever, to the 0 power is 1. All right, so anything to the 0 power equals 1. That is an easy rule. Now, when it's just numbers, you could actually use your calculator, but 3 to the 0 is 1. All of this, in fact, it's raised to the 0. So here's what I'm going to show you to do. When you have parentheses and you have a 0, go ahead and just color in anything that's on the inside of that, because that equals 1. It doesn't matter what's in there. It all equals 1. Okay, now be careful with this. This is 4 times x to the 0 power. Well, anything to the 0 power is actually 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, see how these parentheses right here go around all of this? I'm going to color all this in because it's inside the parentheses, and the whole parentheses is raised to 0. That means that is 1. All right, here we go. Look at all that. Now I'm noticing that these parentheses, I'm going to make them bigger. These parentheses are what's raised to the 0. So that means I'm going to color all this in because I'm not even going to look at it. That's 1. Okay, now let's be careful. We've got this. Oh, look at this. So here's my parentheses right here. So that means everything inside the parentheses is raised to the 0. So this right here becomes 1. I'm going to go ahead and color all that in. It's like that's not even there. So really, this is 6z squared times 2z to the 3rd. Well, that's 6 times 2 times z squared times z to the 3rd. 2 times 6 is 12. 2, 3, 4, 5 z's. And there we go. So, if you see something like this, 3x parenthesis 24x to the negative 24y, I'm going to put to the 0. 39z to the 1/4, and I'll throw in x to the negative 3, parentheses raised to the 0 power. Oh, Mrs. Dean, but there's 2 zeros. It doesn't matter. This parenthesis here and this parenthesis here, all of that is raised to the 0. So I'm just going to color that in because it's like it's gone. It's just the number 1. So my answer would be 3x. Okay, and that's the 0 rule. Super easy, isn't it?